With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time we move into the awards that we all have been waiting for. This is the winners list of Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. Before we actually show you the list, let me quickly show you the jury AV, what the jury has to say about the selection process and everyone else that was involved in it. Let's have a look at the AV.
Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021 is a platform to recognize and reward the efforts of our women colleagues who have played a major role in building this industry. Historically, our industry has been tagged as a male-dominated one, but now, and increasingly so, we have women performing roles of great influence and leadership. In our endeavor to make this industry more inclusive and hence progressive, we need to recognize these exceptional professionals, and I feel platforms such as the Realty Plus Women Icon Awards go a long way in applauding those efforts.
Hi ladies, I'm really excited about being on the jury to judge the Women Icon Awards for 2021. I'm passionate about women professionals, especially those who are in leadership roles, who lead from the front, go the extra mile, and become role models.
Hi, it gives me great pleasure and honor to be part of the jury for the Reality Plus Women's Icon Awards 2021 for the real estate sector. The real estate sector till now has been a male-dominated sector, but in the last few years we have seen a number of women take strides to come in the forefront of the industry and take many initiatives which have helped the real estate sector grow. These awards recognize the efforts of such pioneering women, and I wish them all the very best in the real estate sector.
रियल एस्टेट में महिलाओं का पार्टिसिपेशन डे बाय डे बढ़ रहा है. महिलाओं में जो क्रिएटिविटी होती है नेक्स्ट लेवल की. मुझे लगता है केवल हमें ये देखने की ज़रूरत है कि उनकी जो क्षमताएं हैं उनको और ज़्यादा कैसे बेहतर किया जा सके और उनकी क्रिएटिविटी को कैसे और ज़्यादा बढ़ाया जा सकता है, ये देखा जाना चाहिए. रियलिटी प्लस वुमेन आइकॉन अवार्ड 2021 ये बहुत अच्छी पहल है उन महिलाओं के लिए जो रियल एस्टेट में एक नया आयाम स्थापित कर रही हैं. आपको इस अवार्ड के लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं और मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूं कि आने वाले वक्त में महिलाओं का पार्टिसिपेशन और ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा. धन्यवाद.
Hi, I'm Charu Thapar, Executive Director, APAC at JLL in Property and Asset Management. The Realty Plus Women's Icon Awards is a credible platform that recognizes women who inspire, build, lead and help bring a change. Their stories of success inspire many and deserve to be shared and appreciated time and time again. I'm proud to be a part of the awards jury. I wish you all the best. Keep smiling, and I hope you all achieve your ambitions and dreams. Good luck.
Well, there you have it. That's the jury speaking about the process. And of course, as always, we've made sure that the jury encompasses all respective fields and every single layer of the industries that we could gather around in order to make sure that it's absolutely fair playground for everyone. All the winners, I'll request you all to kindly stay back at the end of the show for a group photograph. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time we embark upon the first ever Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. Let's quickly make sure that since we can't see you all through the other side of the screen, you send across your appreciation to all the winners. So wherever you are, even though we can't see you, but I'm absolutely sure the warmth of your claps would reach the winners. And if you are there in the list, congratulations to you. If you're not, well, fantastic on making it thus far. I'm absolutely sure there's a prize for you waiting in the future as well. So with that hope, ladies and gentlemen, it's time we move on to the first award of the evening. And for that, I would request you all to kindly pay your attention towards the screen for the first category.
The Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021 felicitates the extraordinary contribution of women changemakers in real estate across categories of the industry. The mission is to honor women for their merit, expertise and experience and spotlight their meaningful contributions to the sector. This inaugural edition received more than 150 plus nominations, a testament to the strength and enthusiasm of women achievers in the real estate sector. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we begin the first category of the evening. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic calling, and this category drew immense response from the industry, thereby resulting in 3 deserving winners in the category of Women Achievers in Entrepreneurship. And the award goes to Nikita Shah, Director, Shivalik Group. Nikita Shah is a great asset to her organization with her excellent dedication towards work and high level of commitment.
Well, congratulations to Ms. Shah there. I would request if we have Nikita Shah online with us, I would be very happy to invite her on the screen and have a few words on how she's feeling winning the award.
Hi everyone. I'm thankful to I'm thankful to Realty Plus and the jury to consider my name for the Woman Achiever in Entrepreneurship, and a special thanks to my Shivalik team who has been my constant support. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. We hope you keep getting these awards one after the other. And thank you so much once again for joining in.
Thank you, Robin. Thank you so much.
So that's our first winner in the category. And I'm sure you remember just a while ago, we said that we have 3 winners in this category, the Women Achievers in Entrepreneurship. Let's have a look at the second winner on your screen.
Dr. Payal Kanodia, Trustee, M3M Foundation. Dr. Payal Kanodia is driven by an ethos of sincerity, dedication and entrepreneurial skills, ensuring that commitments are honored with precision.
Well, congratulations to Dr. Payal Kanodia. I'm sure that she would be joining us any second now on the screen to say how she's feeling. And of course, I would be very happy to have her on the screen now.
Yeah, am I audible?
Absolutely, yeah. And looking fantastic as well. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And it's a wonderful initiative by Realty Plus to launch this Women Icon Awards. And I'm really thankful to the entire jury of Realty Plus to consider me for this award. Thank you so much. And I think it's a wonderful, wonderful initiative. It will inspire a lot of women to come forward in real estate, show their talent, show how multitasking they can be, and how they can justify handling home and work at the same time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations once again. Your growth and M3M's growth is a testament to the fact that new heights are there to be achieved. Congratulations once again, and thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, so that was our second winner, Dr. Payal Kanodia, in the category of Women Achievers in Entrepreneurship. Let's have a look at the third winner as well.
Snehal Brahmbhat, co-founder and COO, Shilp Group. Snehal Brahmbhat spearheads PR and communication, taking on the responsibility of planning, developing and implementing strategies that help to create visibility for business.
There you have it. Snehal Brahmbhat is the third winner of Women Achievers in Entrepreneurship this year, the inaugural edition. Let me congratulate the lady quickly and invite her on the dais to say a few words. Ms. Brahmbhat, over to you. In the meantime, she's joining in. So this is the virtual event, and I'm sure these are the things that we really miss being on ground. The reciprocation of the energy, and of course, the applaud that all the winners get. That's a wonderful feeling being on the stage. So since we are online, I'm really happy once again to remind you all, you can actually do exactly that using the hashtag of the show, tagging our social media handles and letting the winners know that you appreciate their hard work. And if you want to congratulate them, that'll be amazing. So do we have our winner, Snehal Brahmbhat, online with us? If we do, I'd be very happy to invite her on the screen to say a few words. Ms. Brahmbhat, I can't see you. If you can check your camera is on and your audio button is on as well, so that we can actually have.
My camera is on, but
perfect. Now we see you. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so very much.
Tilt the camera a little bit down so that we can actually.
I do not know why my camera is closed. Thank you.
Success, ma'am. When you reach new heights, it happens. You know, the camera also starts going to the new heights.
I just choose the filter.
That's all right, ma'am. I can see you. You're visible. You're audible. Congratulations on winning the award. Let's quickly hear how you're feeling.
Thank you so very much. Hello, everyone. My name is Snehal Brahmbhat from Shilp Group. Thanks for the reality show and thanks for the award. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. We wish you continued success and amazing things in the future. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for the Women Iconic Awards.
Ma'am, you are an icon, and it's our duty to celebrate icons like you who are inspiring a lot of other women in their respective fields. Thank you once again for joining in.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, those were the winners of our first category, that was Women Achievers in Entrepreneurship. Let me quickly recap this for you. Ms. Nikita Shah, Dr. Payal Kanodia, and Ms. Snehal Brahmbhat are the recipients of the first category's awards. With that, we'll move on to the next category, and I'll request our backend team to kindly show you the AV on the screen.
Marketing is the bridge between a brand and its customers, and a role that has become increasingly important in our times. Our next category is for Women Achievers in Marketing. And the award goes to Divya Puri Sachdeva, Associate Director, Strategic Marketing, Cushman & Wakefield India Private Limited. Divya Puri's true value as a marketeer lies in her deep understanding of the industry and her resourcefulness in finding creative strategic solutions.
Ma'am, we can see you. Congratulations. Let me quickly invite Ms. Divya Puri Sachdeva on the screen for you all to kindly share a few words with us.
Thank you, Ravin. And I would first of all like to thank Reality Plus to organize the Women Icon Awards, not just like for real estate, but otherwise also it's really prestigious. And I've spent a decade in the industry now. So after spending a decade in this male dominant industry, all I can really say is a lot of credit to this award also goes to my peers, ex-colleagues, the organization that I represent, and a lot of inspiring women that are there on the platform. Thanks to jury for acknowledging the efforts of such wonderful women. Thank you once again, and congratulations to all the amazing, inspiring women achievers that are present here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And once again, heartily congratulations to you for inspiring a new generation of entrepreneurs and professionals in the country and a lot of industries as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So that was our recipient, Divya Puri Sachdeva, who's taken away Women Achievers in Marketing Awards this year. Congratulations to her once again. Let's quickly move on to our next category. But before we get to that, this is not the only winner in this category. Let's have a look at the next winner as well.
And Ishita Bhattacharya, Zonal Brand Head, Tata Realty and Infrastructure Limited. Ishita Bhattacharya is a highly passionate marketing professional with a special interest in creative communication, brand and digital strategy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Ishita Bhattacharya. Congratulations, ma'am. Let's quickly invite Ms. Bhattacharya on the screen to kindly say a few words.
Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. I'm really humbled to get this award, and thank you, Realty Plus, for giving me this platform. I thank the jury members for choosing me for this award. And as we all know, it's never an individual award. It is about a teamwork. Today on this platform, I take the opportunity to congratulate my team members who have always been and ever supporting pillars for me. For them today, I get this award. I am in this platform. I thank my seniors for guiding me through, for helping me out whenever I wanted their help for, and of course, my peers for their cooperation. So without the support of my team members and cooperation of the peers, this would not have been possible. Thank you again, Realty Plus.
Thank you so much for joining with us, and congratulations once again. We hope you keep doing the amazing work that you have been doing and keep inspiring a lot of other people as well.
Thank you.
So that's Ishita Bhattacharya, who's taking away Women Achievers in Marketing Award this year. Joining her is another person. Let's have a look on the screen, please.
And Nikita Suratwala, Head, Corporate Marketing, Anarock Property Consultants Private Limited. Nikita Suratwala's key attributes are her out-of-the-box thinking, proactive approach, and a positive outlook towards work and life.
Well, congratulations to Ms. Suratwala. Let me quickly invite Nikita Suratwala on the screen to kindly say a few words and tell us how she's feeling winning this award.
Thank you so much, Ravin. Thank you to the entire team of Realty Plus, the jury. I mean, this is really a great acknowledgement, truly humbled by this. And it's just a validation for all of us to just strive harder to bring about a change, not only in our sector, but to the country as well. I think this is a great opportunity. And Ms. Karnar, like she said earlier, that we are the right-brained group, very creative. And thanks to my organization, Anarock, and my team, who I think just push me to think innovatively and explore new opportunities every day. So thank you once again to the team, and thank you Realty Plus and the jury. And congratulations to all the winners, and looking forward to some exciting times. So thank you once again.
Congratulations to you as well once again, and truly deserve, may I add there as well. Thank you so much for joining in, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ravi.
Wonderful. So that was Nikita Suratwala on winning her Women Achievers in Marketing Award at the maiden edition of this amazing event that we have for you all. Joining her is another person. Let's have.
And Pancham Lilani, Chief Marketing Officer, R Retail Ventures Limited, JBO, Wagberg Pincus, and Runwell Group. Pancham Lilani is known to break set norms of marketing with her innovative marketing.
safe to say that when you name Pancham, you are bound to do great things in life. Panchamda is the testament, and also now Pancham Lilani is here with us, the winner of Women Achievers in Marketing. Thank you so much for joining in, ma'am. I'll hand over the stage to you.
Thank you, Ravin. Thank you so much. It's really a privilege to be on this platform, and actually more a privilege to be among such distinguished women. It's also an honor to receive the Women Icon Achiever Awards for this 2021. Thank you to the jury and Mrs. Renu Karnad, ma'am, you're an inspiration. Would just like to thank Reality Plus also for creating this platform, which acknowledges the expertise and experience of women. Lastly, I'd just like to say I see my success as an obligation to give back to the younger generation and women to ensure they achieve the same level of success and more. So thank you to the jury, Reality Plus. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank you on behalf of Reality Plus for being here with us and the end of second category that we have, and I want to congratulate Ms. Pancham Lilani once again for winning this amazing honor. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining.
Thank you, Ram.
All right, there you go. So this was the Women Achievers in Marketing category this year, and those were the 4 ladies that are taking away the prize. Now, you must have noticed that there are multiple winners in the category, and that is a testament to the amazing work that is being done by women leaders in their respective fields. So continuing the trend, we have the next category. Let's have a look at it on the screen.
Sending the right messages to the right place and the right people is critical for success of any business. Next up is the key category of Women Achievers in PR and ComCom, where we have 3 winners who deserve the accolade. And the award goes to Piyali Dasgupta, Director, Corporate, Marketing and Public Relations, Knight Frank India Private Limited. Piyali Dasgupta's prompt delivery and solution-oriented attitude had made her the go-to person in the organization.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Ms. Piyali Dasgupta on the screen, please.
Thank you for the award. Reality Plus needs to be mentioned for putting together such an amazing event to conceptualize an award for women in the real estate category. But I also must thank the jury who have taken the time to go through the nominations and selected the winners. My gratitude always to the company I work for and my previous employers. I've spent 15 years in real estate, so a lot of time spent working for this sector. And finally, thank you and congratulations to all those who are winning today in the evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us and of course, for doing the amazing work that gets you on the dais here. It's an honor to have you join in, and once again, congratulations for winning the award. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And Ritika Shah, GM, Corporate Media Relations, Hira Nandani Group and Communities. Ritika Shah is an aggressive and ambitious individual performer, consistent in establishing planned key communication goals with agility and innovation in practices.
Congratulations, Ms. Ritika Shah. Let me quickly invite the winner on the dais to say a few words and let us know how she's feeling.
Good evening, everybody. I would firstly like to thank Reality Plus and the jury for acknowledging such a wonderful recognition of women in this really, really male-dominating industry. So this has been a huge accomplishment and good recognition for the women who have contributed to this transforming real estate industry. So this nation building and the recognition of women in that nation building has been really very important. And I would especially like to thank the organization Hirandani Group and my mentor, my boss, the big boss, Dr. Niranjan Hirandani, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity, believing in me, pushing us, and giving the equal opportunity to all the women in the organization for all the opportunities and wonderful experiences that we have been through this in the organization. Thank you, and thank you all the winners of this award. Congratulating all the winners of the awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Shah, and congratulations once again on being a part of one of the most amazing journeys that the corporate sectors, especially the real estate sector, is seeing, and well done on being a part of it. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's quickly have a look.
And Uzma Irfan, Director, Corporate Communication, Prestige Estates Projects Limited. Uzma Irfan is credited for single-handedly strengthening the public image of Prestige Group during the time it experienced tremendous growth.
Well, Ms. Uzma Irfan is not here with us, and the reason is she's traveling right now, so there's very poor connectivity. But let me congratulate her on behalf of Realty Plus, and of course, send her amazing regards in terms of what she's achieved in her industry. It's not an easy job to have a corporate communication going out in terms of the corporates being bigger and bigger than small countries' economies. So having a communication that's crystal clear, yet also has an emotional connect. I think all these women are doing a fantastic job. Let me once again congratulate Ms. Piali Das Gupta, Ms. Ritika Shah, and Ms. Uzma Irfan for doing wonders for their respective brands, and also helping all the other women achievers and aspirants to reach for new heights. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to our next category. And this is the fourth category of the evening. Let's have a look.
Some goals of real estate technology include reducing paperwork as well as making transactions quicker, more efficient, and more secure. The next category of the Realty Plus Women Icon Awards is for Women Achievers in Technology. And the award goes to Rashmi Kohli, co-founder and director, Sparrow Interactive Private Limited. Rashmi Kohli has been instrumental in making her organization a future-ready organization, imbibing technology at every level, from systems to processes, product to execution.
Ladies and gentlemen, Women Achievers in Technology, Ms. Rashmi Kohli. Let's have a round of applause and invite her on the stage. We'd be very happy to have a few words with you, ma'am.
Hi, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you for thanking the jury for having selected me for this award. Also, would like to thank Reality Plus for starting this amazing platform, really, to recognize the women who've actually been a very integral part of this real estate dream in India. So, and thanks once again. Sparrow's always been committed to kind of giving technology-backed solutions to kind of forward facilitate real estate brands, and will continue that endeavor. And thanks once again. This is a great encouragement to Team Sparrow. And yeah, thanks once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations on behalf of the whole Realty Plus team for doing the amazing work and inspiring a lot of younger generation to come and take over this sector with the storm. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So that's our winner, Rachna Kohli, who is taking away Women Achievers in Technology, co-joined by the next person. Let's have a look.
And Chahana Gehlot, Founder and Chief Operating Officer, Property Expo. Chahana Gehlot is a remarkably successful professional with a journey of humble beginnings in sales and marketing to becoming a pro in the real estate industry.
Well, our heartiest congratulations to Ms. Chahana Gehlot for winning that award. Let's quickly invite her on the screen to have a few words from her.
Thanks, Ravin.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Let's have a few words from you.
Thanks, Realty Plus, and thank you, jury, to giving this award to me. And I'm very glad to achieve this award. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I've heard Ms. Gehlot is a woman of few words, and she's proven that, ma'am. But the work that you're doing is speaking volumes, so you don't have to say a lot. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much for joining with us. Well done.
Thank you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that was our co-winner for the category Women Achievers in Technology, helping real estate reach new heights and new customers one step at a time. Ms. Chahana Gehlot and Ms. Rachna Kohli are the winners. Congratulations to both of them in this category. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, with that, we will move on to our next category. And once again, let me quickly remind you, you can actually go ahead and follow us on our social networks. Let us know what do you think about the conversation using the hashtag of the show. It's fairly simple. We'd be very happy to retweet you as well if we enjoy your conversation. All right, with this, we'll move on to our next conversation, ladies and gentlemen. And the next conversation is about the next set of awards. Let's have a look at the next award.
Design being such an integral part of any real estate project, we rightfully have 4 deserving winners in the category of Women Achievers in Design. And the award goes to Anshu Shukla, Head, Design, Gera Developments Private Limited. Anshu Shukla has always ensured team diversity, leading to different ideas and creativity that have significantly helped in performance, processes, and productivity.
Congratulations, ma'am. I'll hand over the screen to you.
Thank you, Ravin, and thank you, Reality Plus and the jury for the awards and the recognition. I would like to thank the family, the peer, and the managers in my journey thus far. I think not only is this as a motivation for me to outperform, or rather outdo, as we call it at Gera Developments. I would also I hope that this is a good inspiration for the young architects and designers to excel in their domain of design and achieve greater heights. So thank you once again.
No, absolutely sure, ma'am. You are an inspiration for a lot of people coming up in the field because you're a torch bearer, and we are celebrating the torch bearers like you today. So congratulations once again, and we hope you keep doing amazing work.
Thank you so much.
So that's our first winner, ladies and gentlemen, with Anshu Shukla, who was joining us from Gera Developers Private Limited. With that, we'll move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And architect Neeta Khembhavi, managing partner and principal architect, Khembhavi Architecture Foundation. Architect Neeta Khembhavi brings her sense of passionate perseverance to all that she touches. architecture and art alike.
Ms. Kembhavi, congratulations. Let's have a huge round of applause for her. And I would be very happy if you can join us on the screen and say a few words. Let us know how you're feeling.
Hello, everyone. Can you see me? Sorry, I'm just...
Absolutely, we can hear you now.
But can you
want to turn your camera on once, like on the video button, if you can go and tap once, we'll be able to see you as well.
But for some reason, I'm not able to switch it on.
Can I request the backend team to kindly have a look into it and see why we can't have Ms. Kembhavi coming in?
Yeah, I think the host is letting me in, hopefully.
Yeah, ma'am, they're working on it. We should have you visible to us and everyone connected on this virtual event any second now. The backend team is helping us out. In the meantime, let me take this opportunity, since I'm visible on the screen, to congratulate you once again. And can I put up a question while we are at it? So since this is the inaugural edition of the awards, what does it mean for the industry, the women? Ms. Kembhavi, can you hear me?
I'm not able to switch on the camera, sadly. But anyway, I'll just talk a few words, maybe. Or shall I? Is anyone helping me out here?
So the backend team is trying to get to it, ma'am. They should take any second now. In the meantime, that we get that happening, I would be very happy to know from you in terms of what these awards mean for the industry and the women in these specific industries that are working and making sure that they make the industry proud as well. What do these awards mean for the industry at large?
See, there have been women in this industry since quite some time, but I think it's nice that we have been recognized now. Yes. We have come a long way, all of us, all my fellow winners, all of them on this platform. We've come a long way, and finally, I think this awards it's a great platform to come across and be recognized for the work, for the talent, for the performance. And this event is actually fabulous from point of the recognition that is giving to the diverse realms of real estate. So in fact, I would like to thank everyone, thank Reality Plus for this event. And I would say that I would also like to thank the jury members for selecting me for this award. It is both inspiring and motivating for me, for my team, and at Kembhavi Architecture Foundation. So thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much for doing a phenomenal work that I'm sure is going to inspire a lot of young generation coming up in the field to take up some new heights and work out for some new horizons in the field. I'm terribly sorry that we do not have the video on for Ms. Kembhavi. I would like to apologize for that. But I would like to thank you also once again for joining with us. Ms. Neeta Kembhavi, the winner in the category of Women Achievers in Design. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for her. And ma'am, thank you so much. I'm terribly sorry once again for the video not being on, but I want to thank you for joining with us.
Thank you.
Okay, small glitches in the technology, but I think one thing that COVID has, the pandemic has taught us is how to thrive in different conditions and difficult conditions at the same time, improvising, improving, and moving on. So with that note, we'll move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And architect Dr. Pony M. Conceso, founder and principal architect, Oscar and Pony Architects. Dr. Pony's contributions include creating award-winning designs, authoring and publishing technical papers, architectural education, conservation, women's rights, and nation building.
Well, there you have it. Congratulations, ma'am. I'll request you to kindly join us on the screen and let us know how you're feeling winning that award.
I think you can hear me, but I don't think you are able to see me. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your host is not letting me in. I mean, your people at your team.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Sagar, the backend team, can you please have a look at this? Works perfect. Thank you so much, Sagar. Thank you so much, backend team. Ma'am, congratulations. The screen is all yours.
Okay. On the outset, I should say that I'm most humbled and privileged to win such a fantastic award. I wish to thank Reality Plus, the jury, my family for putting up with my crazy work hours and staying away from home for I don't know, for the past 25 years, running here and there to all my sites. I would also like to thank my clients who gave me the opportunity to showcase my talents. And of course, last but not least, it's my team, my precious team that have always been with me, seen me through such difficult times, such great times. You know, life is a balance of bouquets and brickbats. I would also like to commend Reality Plus very much for creating a platform like this to, you know, showcase women's talents. Just to give a brief quote from Christine Lagarde, the more women that are there in the workforce, the GDP of the country also rises equivalently. Women are the real nation builders of this country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And ma'am, you are a testament to that quote that you just said right now. Congratulations on doing such phenomenal work, and we hope to see you achieving new heights in the future as well. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you.
All right, so that's our winner, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all are enjoying and applauding for all our winners that you see on the screen, even though they cannot hear you, but trust me, the energy resonates. So with that, I will move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And Sabina Khanna, founder and principal architect, Studio Kia. Sabina Khanna is an architecture critic and designer who leads an energetic and enthusiastic team through inspiration, vision, and leadership.
Let's congratulate Ms. Sabina Khanna for winning the award of Women Achievers in Design. I would hand over the screen to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Raven. Am I audible?
Absolutely audible, absolutely visible, and congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Realty Plus and the jury for this Women Icon Award as a Women Achiever in Design. I am elated and equally humbled to be amongst the stellar lineup of awardees and the women who are being felicitated. So congratulations and a virtual toast to all the winners. And I accept this award with humility on behalf of my entire design team at Studio KIA, where we are all consciously striving to create happy, healthy, and safe environments. So thank you very much. And if I may say, may this tribe increase. Thank you.
And I'm absolutely sure, ma'am, it will get more recognition coming its way, because it's high time that we start seeing what exactly it is. It is about women making amazing strides and helping these amazing industries take a step further. So I congratulate you on being a part of that journey, and of course, being one of the flag bearers in making the change happen. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you very much.
All right, so those were our winners of this amazing category, Women Achievers in Design. And as Ms. Khanna just said, that we've got a long way to go, some amazing things happening in the future. And I'm absolutely sure the season 2, the edition 2 of this award will be bigger and better, and we'll have some amazing ladies joining in as well. So thank you so much once again, ma'am, for joining with us. And with that, we'll move on to our next category. Since I'm short on time, I'll make sure that we run through as quickly as possible. Next award is for Women Achievers in Legal Practice. Let's have a look at the winners.
Moving forward, the next award category is for Women Achievers in Legal Practice. And the award goes to Rohini BM, Deputy General Manager, Legal Brigade Enterprises Limited. Rohini BM is the epitome of confidence and handles every situation with grace and equanimity.
Well, there you have it. The winner, the first winner, Miss Rohini BM. Congratulations on winning Women Achievers in Legal Practice. The award is yours. I'll hand over the screen to you as well, ma'am.
Thank you, Raveen. Thank you so much. I'm honored and humbled for this award for Realty Plus Women Icon Awards of 2021 in the category of legal practice. I'm really, there's no words for me that I'm so excited. I really thank you a lot. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you're really doing a wonderful job on this. I consider this as reflection on my hard work for all these years that I've been doing. And this is really, it means a lot for me because it's my tenure where I decided to shift from my practice to real estate sector. And then today, the platform that I have reached, I'm quite satisfied about the dedication and hard work that I've been doing for all these years. I sincerely thank Brigade Group for giving me an opportunity. Personally, I thank Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. M.R. Jaishankar, who is a role model for me. And sincere thanks to Nirupa Shankar, who has nominated me for this award. Pavitra Shankar, who's been great inspiration and support for me. Entire legal team, entire Brigade Group, who's been a great support for me. Suresh Yadwar, heading legal team, who's a great mentor for me. At Brigade Group, you'll see that there's a lot of support that's running in from all women's, from male heading groups, who have been very cordial and very supportive. It's really a proud moment for me, and I thank Realty Plus for giving such a platform where we can expose, it's bringing it to limelight of achievers over there. I congratulate each and everyone here. I want to take out everyone's name here in my CMD's office, Mr. Amma Mysore, Pradyumna, Om Prakash, Uday, and I am to name each one of them in the Brigade Group and thank them for their support for all these years. But yeah, we'll be running short of time, so I can't tell so many things which are in my mind right now. But I'm really grateful and thankful. Keep doing such things and keep encouraging all women. They feel so proud. This is really required because they are stepping out of their family and they're stepping out of their four walls and achieving such a good thing that you will be. It's tremendous, really. They are multitaskers. They are able to take care of the family and they're able to do such a wonderful job at their whatever is assigned to them. Be encouraging, be supportive. Thanks to all jury members over there. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those kind words. And it speaks volumes about your humility on thanking everyone involved in your life for making it happen and being where you are. And you are in a position where you are inspiring a lot of other people coming in the field. So congratulations on that as well. And
I dedicate this award to all brigadiers, my family, and my well-wishers. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank
you guys have done really wonderful work by setting this platform. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Realty Plus, I'll take that compliment. Thank you once again for being with us and congratulations.
Keep doing. Thank you.
Wonderful. So that was Ms. Rohini BM, who is taking away another coveted prize for being an achiever in her respective field. That's legal practice. We want to thank her once again and congratulate her for being a part of this amazing first edition. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so with that, we'll move on to our next category, and I would request you all to kindly pay your attention towards the screen as we show you the winner of the next category. That's going to be Women Achievers in Leading Flexi Spaces. Let's have a look.
An important category for the times that we are in is Women Achievers in Leading Flexi Spaces. And the award goes to Sangeeta Ray, Head, Real Estate, India and Bangladesh, Siemens India. Sangeeta Ray is responsible for drawing out the real estate strategy for her organization based on the future requirement of the business and the country blueprint of growth.
congratulations to our winner in the category of Women Achievers in Leading Flexi Spaces, Ms. Sangeeta Ray. Thank you so much. And I would hand over the screen to you, ma'am. Let's see what else.
Thanks, Ravin. So I'd just like to start off by saying that I'm an accidental real estate person. And that means that I'm here only today because of a lot of host of back-end support which is happening. One of them you can see on the screen behind me, my organization, which allowed me to cross functions and deal with real estate. I can't talk enough about my team, which actually does such a great job that people believe that I'm the real estate person, whereas actually they're the ones who are the real estate people. And of course, I would like to thank the Siemens Real Estate itself, which has taught me all about real estate management in the first place. Otherwise, I would not have been able to even be the let's say, the marketing face of the function, which is right now being recognized. Thanks, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. And as they say, the biggest of the mistakes makes the best of the evolution. So you're proving that right. Congratulations on doing some phenomenal work in your field, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Thank you very much.
So that's our winner, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Sangeeta Ray, who was with us just a few seconds ago. And with that, we'll move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And Rachana Agarwal, Principal Architect, Studio IAAD. Rachana Agarwal architects spaces that are nurturing and yet reflect a deep understanding of its character.
The winner of Women Achievers in Leading Flexi Spaces, is Ms. Rachana Agarwal. I'll request Ms. Agarwal to kindly join us on the screen and indulge us in a few words.
Hi, can you see me?
Yes, we can see you now, ma'am.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Reality, for the award. I'd like to take a moment and extend a note of thanks to all our clients, first of all, my team members, and my ever-supporting family. They who have made every challenge a stepping stone and supported me through the journey. Thank you once more.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those wonderful words, and congratulations on inspiring some amazing professionals in your field. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to our next category, and the next category should pop up on your screen any second now. Have a look.
Sustainability is the path towards a healthier environment, and our sustainability achievers are helping make a better world every day. Our next category is Women Achievers in Sustainability. And the award goes to Dr. Ananya Gandotra, Head of Design and Sustainability, Birla Estates Private Limited. Dr. Ananya Gandotra believes women leaders have the power to change the dynamic and reshape the conversation.
Dr. Gandotra, congratulations. I'll hand over the screen to you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Really has to say. Thank you, ma'am.
At the outset, I would really like to, be very thankful to Reality Plus for developing over many years this platform and being able to kind of recognize women, creating various platforms for debates, for discussions, and generally create a, sort of a group, which, what people like us look forward to every year. So for the recognition, I'm very thankful to the jury members. And this recognition goes out to all the women out there who are striving on a daily basis to build sustainable organizations. It's not just a sustainable world. The organizations in which they work needs to be quite sustainable, and women do play a very critical role there. So a call out to them, and have the will, have the determination, and the accolades will be there. So thank you again for the Sustainability Award in real estate. I'm really, really proud and honored to have it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And let me say this on behalf of Realty Plus that the reason we are celebrating this evening is because of the people that I see on the screen, and you are the reason for the celebration. So congratulations on the wonderful work that you all have been doing.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Dr. Gandotra was here with us, who is the winner in the category of Women Achievers in Sustainability. Co-joining her is another winner. Let's have a look.
And Millie Majumdar, Managing Director, Green Business Certification Institute Private Limited. Millie Majumdar has been a strong advocate and sponsor for many women and men around the world.
So that's our next winner, Ms. Majumdar. Congratulations. I'll leave this scene to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ravin. It's an honor and a matter of great pride for me and my organization to receive this recognition. I represent umpteen professionals who are striving to make this world a better place for us, our children, and our parents. And I'm deeply grateful to Realty Plus and the esteemed jury for the honor and the initiative for bringing us together to celebrate a constellation of women leaders. I strongly believe in power of women to drive sustainability agenda with passion, hard work, integrity, and most importantly, empathy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those wisdom-filled words, and congratulations once again on winning this top honor. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so that's our second winner, ladies and gentlemen, in the same category. We have another one. Let's have a look on the screen, please.
And Sheetal, Managing Partner, Aeon Design and Development. Sheetal has designed many energy-efficient and zero-energy buildings which have had set a benchmark in the industry.
I would like to invite Ms. Sheetal Rakheja to join us on the screen and let us know how she's feeling winning this award. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Ravin. I would really like to express my gratitude to Realty Plus and the esteemed jury for recognizing and honoring my work. It's a huge encouragement for me and my team, who has been perseveringly working towards our vision of making this country truly sustainable in its development. So as we continue our journey, I think I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of my team as well. This achievement would definitely not have been possible without them. And I would like to dedicate this award to my parents, especially my father, who always pushed me towards excellence. So, and it is, I think it's a great initiative from Realty Plus. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And on behalf of Realty Plus, I would like to congratulate you once again for the phenomenal work that you've been doing and for winning this award tonight. Thank you. We hope to see you soon. Okay, so those are the three winners of the last category. And I think it's time we move on to the next one. Let's have a look at the next category on the screen, please.
Commercial realty is a highly specialized profession where every deal must yield the most profitable results. Our semi-professionals are just doing that. In the category of Women Achievers in Commercial Realty, we have two inspiring women achievers. And the award goes to Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh, Executive Director, WTC Services. Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh is a flag bearer for women empowerment and entrepreneurship, who has helped facilitate the growth of women entrepreneurs.
So there you have it. Let me quickly invite the lady on the dais to say a few words. Ma'am, I'll hand over the screen to you. In the meantime, Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh is joining with us. Let me quickly remind you once again what we are doing here. We are celebrating the thought leaders, the action takers, and the torch bearers in their respective teams that are women and that are inspiring a lot of other people to join in and do some phenomenal work in the sectors where people never thought that women can actually take the top positions. They are making some amazing strides and proving them wrong. So I want to congratulate all the ladies that have been in the process of nomination and also the winners. Once again, if you did not win it this time, did not mean that you were not getting the prize in the coming seasons. Like, we'll be hoping to do one of these editions probably and preferably with live audience, with you sitting in the chair and with your family and friends being proud of you and your achievements and the hard work that you've put in to make sure that you are at the top of the game. So congratulations to everyone involved. And with that, I think we will be having our winner for this, that is Women Achievers in Commercial Realty. I have the first winner on the screen. As soon as we get the connection, we'll be very happy to have Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh to kindly come and say a few words about how she's feeling, about her journey, and any inspiring words that she might want to impart the coming generations with.
Thank you, Ravin. Good evening. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Congratulations. We can see you perfectly clear and hear you loud and clear.
Thank you so much, Ravin. Good evening. Thank you, Realty Plus and jury, for bringing us all together and giving us this platform and a voice to the women leaders. Everyone is a winner actually here. You know, not only the ones who have won the award, but those who have also participated. I'm honored by this recognition, and I accept this award humbly on behalf of my amazing team at Viridian and WTC. The acknowledgement of this Women Achievers Award in a male-dominated industry is a step in the right direction. It is an acknowledgement to us women leaders and achievers that our journey has been an exciting one, a crazy one, challenging, inspiring, and of course, blessed with a very supportive family and team that helps us to achieve work-life balance. A special mention here to my mentor, my guide, and my role model, Mr. Ashish Balla. He has believed in me and has always given me a canvas to paint. My father, for being my rock of Gibraltar. My daughter, Samanur, who's just 16 but pushes me and bullies me to reach the stars. She's my inspiration and my determination and the wind beneath my wings, who pushes me to work hard and strive to be a role model, not only for her, but for others. So thank you and congratulations to all the women winners today. I believe that we all are winners. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations once again. And we hope that the young one keeps bullying you to reach new heights so that the other generations coming after you will be very proud of you and will be inspired by things that you've been able to achieve. Once again, congratulations.
Honored and humbled.
Thank you so much, ma'am. With that, I want to thank you once again for joining with us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's our winner in Women Achievers in Commercial Realty, Ms. Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh, who was with us. And with that, we'll move on to our next winner. Let's quickly have a look on the screen.
And Wilma Crasto, Senior Director, Tenant Representation, Cushman & Wakefield India Private Limited. Wimla Crasto brings creativity, enthusiasm and precision to her work. She has a great deal of industry knowledge and is known for her deeper understanding of the business.
Well, congratulations, ma'am. I'll leave the screen with you.
Right. At the risk of losing my 20 seconds, you can see me, you can hear me?
Absolutely clear.
Great. Obviously, I'm very thrilled to get such an honor, and it's really, I was filled with a lot of humility and a lot of gratitude for, receiving this award. There is so much to be. I've been listening to a lot of the speakers this evening, and I think one thing that's resonating is there is a lot to be done in bringing about an equitable future and securing a future for women. But I've got to say that there is no other time than now to be in the real estate industry. It's a great industry, and it can propel women to success. And therefore, I think each of us should kind of use this opportunity to kind of make that change, make an impact, and bring in inspiration to the people and our circle of influence. I would like to thank Realty Plus and the eminent jury for making this a very visible platform and recognizing all of the amazing talent, all the deserving winners today. Thank you very much.
And on behalf of Realty Plus, I would like to thank you for joining with us and congratulate you on the journey thus far. Wish you a fantastic journey ahead as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So that's our winner, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Vilma Castro. I'm sorry. She is the winner in Women Achievers in Commercial Realty. Co-joining her was another winner, that was Ms. Khair-ul-Nisa Sheikh. So we want to congratulate both the ladies on achieving some amazing things in their professional career, as well as inspiring everyone with their professional lives and personal and professional balances in both their respective fields. So with that, we'll move on to our next category. Let's quickly have a look at who's getting this award and for what.
Residential Realty makes home buying dreams come true. Helping bring life to these dreams are our top performing winners in the category of Women Achievers in Residential Realty. And the award goes to Amanda Purvankara, Executive Director, Provident Housing Limited. Amanda Purvankara's progressive ideas and dynamic thinking has helped transform the company into a leaner, well-oiled system.
So as you can see, this is Women Achievers in Residential Realty. Let's quickly invite the winner on the screen. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you. I'm grateful for this award. Truly humbled to be acknowledged at this point in my career. I want to congratulate all the winners for tonight, and definitely want to thank Realty Plus and thank the jury for this. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for taking your valuable time and joining us. And once again, congratulations. You deserve this, and we hope to see you soon in the next edition as well.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Okay, so that's the winner in Women Achievers in Residential Realty. And with that, we'll move on to invite the second winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And Riza Sebastian Karim Pana, President, Residential Business, Embassy Group. Riza Sebastian brings together two important qualities that are hard to find in one person: determination to close a deal and patience.
Well, congratulations. Let's quickly invite Ms. Riza Sebastian on the screen to let us know how she's feeling winning this award. Over to you.
Thanks, Raveen, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely honored to be receiving the Achievement Award in Residential Realty from Realty Plus and such an esteemed jury. So congratulations to Realty Plus for conceptualizing this path-breaking platform, and to all the other winners too. In my 15 plus years in the industry, I have faced several challenges, but each one of them has only strengthened me to make me the person I am today. So I sincerely thank everyone who have helped me reach a stage where I can proudly receive this award as a mark of my achievement. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration I have received from Mr. Jitu Virvani, my colleagues and my team at Embassy Residential, for whom I have the deepest respect, and to my family, from whom I have derived the strength at every step. This award is dedicated to each one of you. I promise to continue to contribute to this industry while making a difference and creating more impact. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And we hope you keep inspiring us with amazing work in the future as well, and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.
Thanks, Raveen.
So that's our winner from the category number 2. Let's have a look at the winner number 3 on the screen, please.
Snehal Mantri, founder, Mantri Developers Private Limited. Snehal Mantri is a firm believer in giving back to society, and through various endeavors, she continually strives to make a positive contribution.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to invite on screen Ms. Snehal Mantri, the winner of Women Achievers in Residential Realty. Congratulations, ma'am. I'll hand over the screen to you. Oh, well, she cannot join us since she's not feeling well. We do not have a video message as well, so my apologies on that. But I'm absolutely sure if she was here with us online, she would be thanking everyone who made it possible for her individual journey as well as the symbolic journey that is going to inspire a lot of coming generations in the trade. So we want to thank and congratulate Ms. Snehal Mantri for wonderful work and winning this award. And with that, we'll move on to our next winner in the same category. Let's have a look.
And Yukti Nagpal, Director, Gulshan Group. Yukti Nagpal epitomizes the ideal blend of creating personal bonds of utmost warmth with a firm stance on organization ideologies to go that extra mile.
Let's quickly invite the winner on the screen.
Hi, I hope you, there I am. Hi, thank you so much. I'm quite humbled to receive this award. And I have to thank Realty Plus to taking this initiative because, you know, women have been in real estate for decades now, but never has this recognition been given to them. So this is a first step for the future, and congratulations to all the winners who've done their bit in contributing to this sector. Thank you so much. I'm quite humbled and honored.
Wonderful. And let me take this moment on behalf of Realty Plus to congratulate you, Ms. Yukti Nagpal, for being a winner in the category of Women Achievers in Residential Realty. And plain and simply saying for making a change in the industry that was really hard to crack. Congratulations on the feat, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ravin. Appreciate it.
Okay, so those are the winners. So let's quickly put our hands together and show our affection to Amanda Purvankara, Riza Sebastian, Snehal Mantri, and Yukti Nagpal for doing the phenomenal work and getting the award in the category. I presume we have an AV to showcase to all of you. Let's quickly have a look at it before we move on to our next category.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next winner has emerged as the top performer in the category of Women Achievers in Retail Realty. And the award goes to Pushpa Bector, Executive Director, DLF Retail, DLF Limited. Pushpa Bector has created her own path to success and inspired other women to follow their passion with similar determination and grit.
Well, it's an honor and a privilege to invite Women Achievers in Retail Realty winner, Ms. Pushpa Bector, to join us on the screen and say a few words.
Hello, everyone. This is Pushpa Bector, Executive Director, DLF Retail. Thank you, Realty Plus, for recognizing me as the woman icon in retail reality. It's an absolute honor. It's been a fabulous journey with DLF Malls, one that I have enjoyed tremendously, along with all the challenges that came along the way. The message that I'd like to give young women out there is the world is your oyster. As long as you have perseverance, grit, talent, and ambition, there is nothing that one can't achieve. And I'd like to wish all the women out there all the best. Thank
you. That was the message that we received since we could not take time out to bring in Ms. Bector on the screen for you live right now. But with that, we will be moving on to the next category. Let's quickly have a look.
Now it's time to felicitate our financial geniuses and taking away the top honors in the category of Women Achievers in Finance are two dynamic women achievers. And the award goes to Geetanjali Mirchandani, Managing Director and Head Origination, Real Estate Lending, JM Financial Credit Solutions Limited. Geetanjali Mirchandani is a strong leader who believes in setting and communicating clear goals while entrusting the team with their execution.
Well, it's an honor to invite Ms. Geetanjali Mirchandani on the screen to tell us how she's feeling winning this award.
Hi, Ravin. Thank you very much. I am absolutely happy and honored to be here. And I think it's a great platform, what Realty Plus has done to have these awards honoring women in an industry where women are not the obvious choice of this is a sector where you see more male dominated sector. So I feel absolutely happy to be here receiving this award. Let's hope next time it's not Women Icon Award, it's only the Icon Award, and I'll strive to achieve that sometime soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Mirchandani. And as they say, the steeper the climb, the better the view. I think since it is an industry that is proficiently male-dominated, what you have done is an inspiration to a lot of people coming in to pursue and trying to fill in the shoes in the same departments, in the same sectors, and in the same industries. So kudos to the hard work, and thank you so much for being here with us. And once again, congratulations.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
All right. And yes, we will be making sure that we have an Icon Award next time, and then both the men and the women can actually come to the same platform and claim these amazing applauds and absolutely wonderful achievements of their work being displayed in front of the world. So with that, we'll move on to our next category. Let's actually, in the same category, we have one more winner. Let's have a look.
And Diva Jain, Director, Arjav Builder Private Limited. Diva Jain has designed and conceptualized major award-winning marketing campaigns and a plethora of groundbreaking development projects.
So we have a message from Ms. Diva Jain. Can we please have a look at the screen?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and honorable members of the jury. My sincere apologies for not being able to join this program live as I'm traveling. It is indeed a great privilege for me to be chosen by such an eminent panel of achievers for this award. I would like to thank Team Realty Plus, and I'm hopeful that this initiative will move from strength to strength and continue to applaud and inspire women to break new and ever-expanding barriers. Thank you very much, everyone.
So there you have it. Those were our winners in the category of Women Achievers in Finance. Ms. Geetanjali Mirchandani and Ms. Diva Jain, congratulations once again. With this, we'll move on to our next category. Let's quickly have a look on the screen to know what it is.
winner in the next category of Women Achievers in Engineering is Turning Visions into Reality Every Day. And the award goes to Smita Vikrant Singh Bhosle, Lead EOS, EHS, ESS, QAC, Jones Lang LaSalle Building Operations Private Limited.
I would like to invite Ms. Smita Vikrant Singh Bhosle to kindly join me on the screen and say a few words.
Hello, Raveen. Am I audible and visible?
Ma'am, you're audible. I cannot see you yet. Can you try to put on your video camera?
I did that and it's giving me an error saying cannot start video.
Okay, the backend, if you can look at it. In the meantime, I'll request you to kindly continue, ma'am. Congratulations. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Raveen. Thank you so much. Hello, ladies. Hello, everyone. I'm greatly honored to have been selected as the laureate to accept the Women in Engineering Award. I'm sincerely thankful to Reality Plus as well, who have initiated this whole event. My journey of around 17 years in the field of real estate and being part of the market leaders, Jones Lang LaSalle, has been extremely, extremely exciting. Every day, I would say, is a new day with new challenges and new learnings, which has kept me going and growing altogether. I really hope to inspire many more engineers and many more women to come forward and join this exciting wagon. I really want to express my gratitude to my family, my parents, my husband, who encouraged me to dream big, and my managers, to start with Colonel Ashutosh Beri, who has been the reason for me to work in the real estate field, my mentor Charu Thapar, and my managers Ravinder, Dinesh, and Rajiv, who have guided me to achieve this dream. And my colleagues, who have helped me in making this journey competitive as well as enjoyable. Last but not the least, I really want to thank my daughters. They are just sitting next to me and they want me to take their names, Arna and Ira, who have cooperated all these years and inspired me to work and help me achieve my best. I thank the jury for the choice. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And to the little ones sitting on your right and left, Meera and I'm sorry, I forgot the other one.
Meera and Arna. Yeah.
Arna and Meera, you want to remember that your mother is a superwoman. She's doing things in departments of engineering and real estate where it was very difficult for any woman to go and achieve great heights. She has been taking and doing some amazing things in the department. So congratulations to both of you for having such a wonderful mom, and congratulations to Ms. Bhosle for winning this award. We hope to see you soon, and hopefully this time with the camera on. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So that's Ms. Bhosle, who was the winner of Women Achievers in Engineering, and sadly we could not see the face because of some issue with the camera. But we will be moving on to our next winner. Let's quickly have a look at the next category.
Moving on to the next category, we have the category of Women Achievers in Facility and Project Management. And the award goes to Monica Kaul Sharma, Senior Associate Director, Cushman and Wakefield India Private Limited. Monica Kaul Sharma believes women empowerment is not just about achieving diversity targets, but equipping women with requisite skill, accountability, and decision-making to harness their true value.
It's a privilege to invite Ms. Monica Kaul Sharma onto the screen. Ma'am, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Ravan. Am I visible?
So I can see the background, ma'am, but I cannot see you. I can just see the background.
Anyways, I'll continue. I would like to thank Reality Plus for this recognition, who has brought us together to celebrate women at workplace, and I'm humbled to be called an icon. I hope I'm able to inspire young women to not to be afraid to follow their dreams, even in the profession that some stereotypically call male dominated. Here is to all the women icons who have inspired us to break glass ceilings, especially dedicating this one to the wonderful women at Cushman and Wakefield who constantly lift each other up, and to all the men who push for women to have equal voice and participation. Thank you so much again for the honor. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravin.
Thank you, ma'am. And once again, let me congratulate you on behalf of Realty Plus, Ms. Monica Kaul Sharma, the winner of Women Achievers in Facility and Project Management. Congratulations, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much for joining.
Thanks.
Wonderful. So that's the winner in the last category, and we will move on, taking a cue from this to the next category. Let's quickly have a look.
In male-dominated spaces, women are emerging as equal partners and performing excellently with their inherent dynamism and expertise. In the category of Women Achievers in Property Consultant, we have the following deserving award winners. And the award goes to Ankita Sood, Director and Head, Research, REA India. Ankita Sood is known for her keen eye for detail and out-of-the-box thinking, which adds value to assignments undertaken by her.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to invite on stage the Women Achiever in Property Consultant, Ms. Ankita Sood. The screen is all yours, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I switched on before you even announced. I'm sorry for that. They just said start the video. Thank you, Ravin. Thank you so much. It's an absolute honor. Good evening, everybody. I am overwhelmed and honored to be awarded this special recognition. And, especially coming from a stellar jury which presided over, this award is absolutely special. I hope I inspire more women to actually come into the sector. And I'd say it's all about teamwork. This recognition reflects the organizations and mentors who have been part of my decade-long journey in the sector. My heartiest congratulations to my fellow women colleagues. I wish them much success and many more laurels. And lastly, absolute kudos to Realty Plus for conceptualizing this platform. You've set the bar high, and much, much success to you. Thank you, good evening, and have a great weekend, everybody.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sood. And let me quickly point this out. The reason why Realty Plus is doing this is because of the achievers like you who have been able to give hope and inspiration to a lot of other people in the field. So congratulations once again, and thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. Good evening.
All right, so that was Ms. Ankita Sood, who was the winner in the category, and we are really, really excited to invite over the next winner in the same category. In no particular order, let's see the next winner.
And Rajani Sinha, Chief Economist and National Director, Research, Knight Frank India Private Limited. Rajani Sinha guides a strong team of researchers to provide unbiased and in-depth research on the economy and the real estate sector.
Well, it's an honor and a privilege to invite the next winner on the screen. Ms. Sinha, over to you.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. And I'm honored to be getting this award. And I would like to thank Realty Plus and all the jury members for considering me. I would also like to thank my organization, Knight Frank, and all my previous organizations, and my team members and my colleagues for having shaped me for this award. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us, and congratulations once again on winning this award. So that was Ms. Rajani Sinha, again winning the award in Women Achievers in Property Consultant. I have another winner in the same list. Let's quickly have a look.
Shweta Mahajan, Director and Head, Strategic Consulting, North and East India, Cushman and Wakefield India Private Limited. Shweta Mahajan is the brand ambassador of her organization's brand equity and reputation through years of consistent and high-quality service delivery to clients.
time, I invite Ms. Shweta Mahajan over to the screen and congratulate her for winning this much coveted prize. Ma'am, over to you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you now and see you. Congratulations. I'll leave the screen with you.
Sure, thank you. I have opened my video. I'm not sure whether it is displaying or not.
Yes, you're visible, you're audible. You can continue.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Reality Plus, for hosting this wonderful platform and bringing such a diverse talent of women leaders together. I feel very humbled and honored and would like to thank my organization, Kushman and Wakefield, and my seniors for nominating me for this prestigious award. Hope and trust is that if you don't feel the time, it is the time spent well, strategizing and contributing. It has been nearly 15 years of professional association with the organization and with the practice, and it feels as if it all started yesterday. Wishing all my women peers a great professional journey from here on. Thank you. Thanks once again, Reality Plus.
Looking at that bright smile, ma'am, it also looks like it all started yesterday only. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you, Ravin. Thanks a lot.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so those were our 3 winners in the category, and we could not be more excited to give them the platform to come and say a few words. And of course, thank you so much once again to all the ladies for joining in with us. Congratulations to the winners in the category. We'll move on to the next category then. Let's quickly have a look at this.
HR professionals work every day to build employee morale while keeping in mind business goals, which has become all the more important in these post-pandemic times. Our winners in the next category of Women Achievers in HR are beacons of hope amidst challenges. And the award goes to Ashima Saini, Assistant Vice President, HR, Anarok Property Consultants Private Limited. Ashima Saini is known for her ability to drive global strategies and implement them at the local level.
So with that, I would like to invite Ms. Ashima Saini to join me on the screen to kindly say a few words. Ma'am, over to you.
Hi, Ravin. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I don't know, I have to switch on my camera. Also, maybe because I'm on road.
Yes, so we cannot see the visuals, ma'am, but
unavoidable situation. But thank you so much. I must say I'm really touched and honored. Thank you so much. This and wonderful evening. Congrats. Have been possible without the support husband. Hi, Ravin.
Yes, Ms. Saini, we lost the connectivity in between. So if you are audible now, I can sense that you are. You might want to kind of continue with
Yes. Oh, I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that. Thank you. Sure, Ravin. As I said, I am, due to some unavoidable reasons, I'm on road right now. And I thank Reality Plus for this recognition. I'm really honored and humbled and much elated as well. And as many of the winners, they said that we women, we have come a long way, but trust me, there's a lot more to be done. And this initiative of Reality Plus should pave way forward for she here in the real estate domain in this industry.
Right.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks to
So Ashima, we lost you back there in the last 10 seconds. But once again, I want to thank you for making sure that you are still with us while you're traveling on the road. Thank you so much for being so kind and joining in. I want to congratulate you once again on behalf of Realty Plus. And as you rightly said, we are really proud at Realty Plus for giving voice to a platform that needed. And we really hope to keep on expanding on this edition after edition, giving a bigger platform to raise a stronger voice. We want to thank you and everyone, all the ladies involved in making sure that the industry is taking a step forward in the right direction. Thank you once again and congratulations. So I'm presuming we still have bad access with Ashima. So Ashima, thank you once again. And Ashima Saini is the winner in Women Achievers in HR category. Let's quickly have a look at the next winner as well, coming up on your screen.
And Priya Adiseshan, Chief People Officer, Gera Developments Private Limited. Priya Adiseshan is a forthright, self-driven professional with a problem-solving approach and a readiness to lend a helping hand.
Congratulations, ma'am. I'll leave the screen with you.
Thank you, Ravin. I'd like to thank Realty Plus and the esteemed jury members for this honor. I'm sure this was not an easy task for them to select the winners from equally deserving nominations. I'd like to take a moment to thank my MD, Mr. Rohit Gera, for nominating me, for giving me the space to outdo and showing faith in my ability. And a big thank you to everyone, my mentors, my managers, my team members. Without host support, I don't think I would have been here. So thank you to one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us, and congratulations once again on achieving this amazing feat. We hope to see you continuously doing some amazing work as you have always been doing. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Ravin.
So that was our winner, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Priya Adiseshan, who was the winner in Women Achievers in HR category. The award is co-joined by another person. Let's quickly have a look at the screen for that.
And Shubhavani SP, Deputy General Manager, HR, Brigade Group. Shubhavani is a gifted leader with strong interpersonal skills and a creative approach towards her work.
So it's an honor to invite the next winner on the screen. Ma'am, the screen is all yours.
Good evening, everyone, and good evening to all the beautiful ladies who are sharing the platform. Thank you so much, Realty Plus, for the recognition and the jury members for choosing me. I'm extremely honored to receive this Realty Plus Women Achievers in HR category. It's a very special moment and it's very difficult to put words to this feeling. Nevertheless, I take this opportunity to thank Brigade Management for this recognition and giving HR a seat at the table, without which we wouldn't have been successful in our endeavors. Thanks once again. And my sincere thanks to all my mentors who have guided me throughout. And a special thanks to Nirupa Shankar, who has shaped me to whatever I am today. Thanks, ma'am. And special thanks to all my team members and colleagues who have supported me in this journey. Last but not the least, special thanks to my family for their unstinted support and cooperation. And many congratulations to all the awardees and best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was our winner, Shubhavani AP. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us, and congratulations on winning the award.
Thank you. Thanks.
So that brings us to the three winners in the category. Let me quickly recapitulate that for you. Ms. Ashima Saini, Ms. Priya Adiseshan, and Ms. Shubha Wani SP were the winners in the category. We want to congratulate all three ladies for the phenomenal work. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving and inching towards the end of the show. We have a few categories remaining. So while I move in that direction, let me quickly remind you all the social network handles of Realty Plus. You can access on Instagram, Facebook. Please go ahead and do that. You can also spread your word using the hashtag. That's the name of the show. That's Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. Spread the word, let the world know the winners in this virtual event are the ones that are making a change in the society out there as well. So show your support using the hashtag. Okay, with that, we'll move on to our next category then real quick. This is category number 17. Let's quickly have a look.
Sales is still the most important role in every business. Next up is the category of Women Achievers in Organizational Sales. And the award goes to Arpita Srivastava, Senior Director and Head, India Occupier Services, Cushman and Wakefield India Private Limited. Arpita Srivastava has personally mentored a number of women colleagues to help them achieve their full potential.
Well, it's an honor to invite on stage Ms. Arpita Srivastava, the winner. Ma'am, congratulations. I'll leave the screen with you.
Hey, hi, Ravin. I think I'm having a trouble with my video, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and give a quick chat. Thanks, thanks everyone. Thanks, jury. Really excited and humbled to be receiving this award. So is, I'm sure, everyone else. So congratulations, all the ladies. Let's continue to bring our best to work and enable our other colleagues to do the same. Keep the shine on, girls. Cheers.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, congratulations on behalf of the whole Realty Plus team for doing some phenomenal work, and a special thank you to you goes out from everyone who you've helped in developing their professional and personal lives. Thank you so much for joining with us today.
Thanks. Cheers.
Okay, so that's our first winner, Arpita Srivastava. Thank you. Once again, let's quickly move on to see who she is sharing this award with. The other winner, let's have a look.
And Fatima Saidi, Head, Luxury Residential Business, Anarok Property Consultants Private Limited. Fatima Saidi's drive, passion and determination have been the motivating forces in shaping her character, her career and her place in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, we give you the winner of Achievers in Organizational Sales, Ms. Fatima Saidi. Congratulations, ma'am. I'll hand over the screen to you.
Thank you, Ravin. Thank you. You're doing a fantastic job this evening. I'm overwhelmed with joy and gratitude to receive this wonderful honor. A special shout to all the nominees. It goes without saying that we share this recognition. You are all superstars. I would like to thank Realty Plus and the jury for this terrific initiative of recognizing and encouraging women in real estate. More and more women are building their careers in the sector. And what can I say? It's showing in the numbers. It means so much to me that the work that I'm so passionate about is recognized. There are so many others who shared this passion with me, and this achievement would not have been possible without them. Firstly, I would like to thank my firm Anarok for building a tremendous platform, and our dynamic founder Anuj Puri for his leadership and vision. Anuj, we all bask in your reflected glory. I would also like to thank my teammates and colleagues for their drive and passion, and my friends and family for their unwavering love and support throughout my many, many adventures. Lastly, a quick message for all women professionals. If you're looking for a dynamic, challenging and rewarding field, think about real estate. Thank you again for this honor. God bless. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And let me thank you on behalf of Realty Plus for taking your valuable time and joining with us this evening. And congratulations once again on some amazing work that you've been doing and getting it recognized tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravin. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, those were our two winners in the category of Women Achievers in Organizational Sales. Let me quickly once again congratulate Ms. Arpita Srivastava and Ms. Fatima Saidi for winning the awards in the category. The next category should be up on your screen any second.
An exciting category of the Realty Plus Women Icon Award is for Women Young Achiever. Let's see which inspiring young women leaders don the mantle this inaugural edition. And the award goes to Mudra Vedhikar, co-founder, CEO, Sion Technologies LLP. Mudra Vedhikar has, through a few years of being an entrepreneur, been able to set up numerous teams and train them to become independent value-generating entities.
Well, it's an honor to invite on screen Ms. Mudra Vedhikar. Ma'am, congratulations. I'll hand over the screen to you.
Thank you, Ravin. Am I audible?
You're audible, but we cannot see you. If you can switch on your camera.
Switched on my camera.
Okay, I hope the backend will have a look at it if it's a network issue or not, but I'll let you continue either.
I mean, we can see her.
Perfect.
Firstly, I want to thank everyone and Realty Plus for nominating me for this award. It's a huge honor being so young to be awarded this prestigious award. And I want to thank all the team members, all my teammates that have made it possible for me to come here today. Not least all the people who have helped me in making their home buying decisions and giving us a lot of support to be a successful organization and bestowing all their trust in us. So thank you so much. I want to also thank my family for supporting me unconditionally throughout my journey. Thank you so much and congratulations to all the winners today.
Thank you, Mudra, and congratulations on joining a list of some top achievers from the industry at such a young age, as you just rightly said. Congratulations. We are absolutely sure we'll see you soon again on the list.
Thank you so much.
So with that, we'd like to move on and show you another winner from the same category who's been doing some fantastic work at such a young age. Let's have a look.
And Anjana Sastry, Director, Marketing, Sterling Developers Private Limited. Anjana Sastry is a forward thinker focused on developing unconventional marketing methods to help increase the target audience and drive sales.
So there you have it. Let's quickly see on the screen Miss Anjana Sastry joining in live.
Hi, good evening. Thank you so much for the honor. I'd first like to thank Realty Plus, the entire team and the jury for thinking me worthy of this award. I'd also like to congratulate all the other women who've won in various categories today. I think you all are the inspiration that young entrepreneurs like us look up to. And I'd like to thank Sterling Developers for supporting me in everything I do and helping me learn as I grow from strength to strength. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Sastry, and congratulations on your sterling victories in the work department. Very well done. Thank you so much for seeing you here.
Thank you.
So that's our winner number 2 in the same category, the Young Achievers. Ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly have a look at winner number 3.
Binitha Dalal, Head, Fundraising, Rostamji Group. Binitha Dalal believes the most important thing women can do is to uplift other women, something she herself has been doing across real estate industry as well as in her organization.
and gentlemen, I present to you on screen Ms. Vinita Dalal.
Thank you so much, Reality Plus, and thank you so much to the entire team. You guys have genuinely created something which was really, really due for the longest time. I don't think I can be here without the entire support of my team, the entire team Rustamji, and everyone who has mentored me from day one to make me who I am today. My family, my parents, thank you so much. And congratulations to all the ladies. Thank you so much, jury, for this wonderful accolade. Women have the ability to choose who they want to be. And I'm happy that you've given us the choice to nominate ourselves and to be a part of this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Dalal, for those amazing words, and congratulations once again on winning the award tonight. We look forward to seeing you in the next edition as well in an even bigger role. Once again, congratulations to all the three ladies who won the award in the category. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the almost end of the show. The last category that we would be giving out award in is the next one. Let's quickly have a look.
And now, perfectly concluding our honor roll and raising the benchmark for the other women to follow in her inspiring footsteps is the winner of the Women Icon of the Year. And the award goes to Manju Gaur, Director, Gaur's Group. Manju Gaur has worked diligently to bring in the corporate culture complete with social responsibility that have helped her organization become one of North India's respected developers.
I know, ladies and gentlemen, you all are not visible on the screen, but I will request you all to put your hands together for the Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021 Women Icon of the Year awardee. Let's welcome on screen Ms. Manju Gaur. Let's have a round of applause and invite the lady on the stage. Ma'am, the stage is all yours.
Thank you so much. And good evening, everyone. And it's a great pleasure. I'm really delighted to receiving this honor. And I would like to thank the respected jury members of the Women Icon Conclave and Awards 2021. And really this recognition encourages me a lot. And I wish like to touch more heights in my life. And first of all, I would like to thank my husband who pushed me to join this business and gave me wings, and my team at Godsons and the years who worked tirelessly with me, my parents, for giving me the value that's have made me like this. And thank you so much, Reality, and give me honor. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I would like to thank you on behalf of all the young people who are just about to start their career in real estate. All the girls out there, they look up to you. You are an inspiration to them, and you give them hope for a brighter future. So I want to congratulate you and thank you on their behalf for being there and for paving path for the younger generation to come. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I give you Women of the Year. Let's have a huge round of applause. So once again for Ms. Manju Gaur. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I want to say something. More and more women have to come and join the real estate, and they can make this sector more beautiful and more organized.
I'm absolutely sure with that call out, ma'am. A lot of young people are already were going to do it, but when you say it, they are absolutely going to follow in the footsteps. Any last imparting words that you would want to give to the industry at large and everybody who's gathered here looking at this amazing virtual evening? Any last words that you would like to say, ma'am?
Thank you and congratulations, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. This is Women Icon of the Year, Ms. Manju Gaur, Director, Gaur's Group. Thank you so much for joining with us, ma'am. I'll request you to stay back because we have a group photograph with all the winners. So I'll need all the winners from respective fields, from respective awards to kindly join me on the screen. We would like to take a live on-screen group photograph of all the winners of inaugural edition of Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. Can I please request the back-end team to kindly have all the winners lined up? I'll request all the participants, all the winners to kindly switch on their cameras so that our backend team can freeze this amazing day, this amazing moment in virtual time, and have all of you something to remember by this evening with. Okay, everyone, I'll request you all to kindly switch on your cameras, and the backend team will do the rest. I can see most of the cameras on. Thank you, Ms. Gaur. Thank you, Ms. Majumdar. Thank you, Ms. Crasto. Ms. Wani, Ms. Dalal, Ms. Khanna, Ms. Das Gupta. I can see you all. Rohini, thank you so much. Ms. Ray, thank you. Ms. Sinha, Ms. Sood. Once again, I'm just taking out your names so that I remember all the amazing ladies that I had the fortune of having seen on the screen today. And Ms. Sasteva, Ms. Mahajan, Ms. Shukla, Ms. Bhosle, thank you so much. Ms. Vedikar, Ms. Adiseshan, I can see you looking all amazing. Ms. Srivastava, thank you so much. Ms. Saidi, Chana, thank you so much. Ms. Kembhavi, we have Ms. Kohli as well. Ms. Sharma, Ms. Shah switched on her camera just now. I'll request, okay, I can see everyone has their cameras on, and I don't have to say you all are looking absolutely amazing, even though we are doing this virtually. But I'm sure that we'll have the next edition, hopefully, in a live setting where we will be able to share all these amazing emotions with you all as well. Okay, so that's the group photograph. Backend team, let me know when we have the picture. I want you all to kindly probably pose all together. Just a big smile on your faces would be enough. I'll give you a heads up also. In 3, 2, 1. That's one frame. The backend will take a couple of other frames. In the meantime, let me quickly remind you, we were live on our social networks, RP Realty Plus on Facebook. On Twitter, it's RP_Realty. On Instagram as well. Thank you so much. Let's quickly have a look at the people that have made the industry proud. We have a winner slide for all of you coming up on your screen. Perfect. I hope the backend has got the pictures. Yes, we have. Thank you so much, ladies. Congratulations once again. I can see all the winners from this first edition of Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021 showcased on your screen. Everyone, it's a humble request. Take a screenshot of this and post it on your social network using the hashtag that is Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. Spread the word around. Let the world know the amazing work that these ladies have been doing, and the absolutely incredible hard work that is being uploaded in this virtual meet. So take a screenshot off onto your social networks. You know our handles. You can tag us, tag the person, and yeah. With that, I think it's time we thank you all. Let's quickly have a look at the screen. Well, thank you slide. We want to thank you all for taking your valuable time and joining with us today, for your participation, for your presence, and for your support to all the ladies who are making a change in the professional and personal atmospheres of this country. We are absolutely honored and indebted to every single lady out here who is trying to make the world a better place, a just place, and of course, a place of opportunity for the other women to come and fill their shoes in with. With that note and with that hope, we wish you a fantastic evening ahead. My name is Ravin. It was an honor and a privilege to be the host for this inaugural edition of Realty Plus Women Icon Awards 2021. And with that, I'll leave you with our partners AV on the screen. Thank you so much once again for joining in. On behalf of the whole Realty Plus team, we wish you a fantastic evening ahead.